bad, T-Series fans. Too bad. Good night. No.
Okay, everybody, noted all of this stuff down? Brilliant! Now you'll be able to pass your awesome GS exams and you'll be able to move on and get an awesome job. Well, that's all the time we got on this.
Okay, who wants to begin the
Kitchen! Okay, sing with me.
It has now come to our attention that the JH has been nuked by a group of Arllion commanders. We are now receiving this news. It is not boat that you see. Stand by for more info. We are now on the news. It has been transmitted that the JH has been nuked by a group of Arllion commanders. The JH founded said that, well folks, get ready and be afraid of the world's most powerful alien commander. It is not boat that you see on television. The antenna got nuked by the end of the world bomb. We have no idea about this. We will now find more info about this. Please stand by. We are now on the news. So, around 30 minutes later, the JH has been nuked by the end of the world bomb. It has been confirmed that, the British American said that, we have no idea what happened, we must find who did that, and liberate to justice. He said. We will find out more of what happened at 6:01 PM on World News tonight. Stay tuned.